What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to go over Dogecoin today. So what we have here with Dogecoin today is a whole series of all of these different trend lines that I've been drawing for the past week. So let's take off some of these trend lines from the past week and look at the two major ones, well, the three major ones that we need to see. So looking at the three major trend lines that we have here, look at this. We are still consolidating here. We are still in consolidation period here, still going up with Dogecoin. But yeah, once we reach this level, we may actually break out of this trend line. Like, this trend line looks like it's really trying to break out soon. Let's look at it from a more shorter perspective, so then we can see where we actually bottomed out at. So yeah, we actually bottomed out all the way down there at 21 cents. But as you can see, we are inside of this consolidation period. We've been trading sideways for a little bit, but this isn't really what I wanted to talk about today. This is just the little technicals showing where we are and where I predict we will be. And within the next week, it will be June. So I said June is going to be huge for Dogecoin. And like I said, next week is about to be huge. We've been really stuck at this point for a really long time. Look, we've been trading at the same price for like the last few days. Since the 19th of May, we've been trading at the same price, back and forth to 34 cents, right? So look at this. Like in Shiba Inu that I just now did at my previous video, I kept explaining how we were having lower highs and higher lows. So look at this. That is a higher high right there. That's a lower high, starting all the way up here, lower, and it gets lower and it gets lower, and then there's your other lower high here, and then we'll probably have another one around here and another one around here. But we keep having these higher lows. So this is one of our lows way back here. Then we had another low right here, and then our lows, they just keep getting higher and higher and higher and higher and higher until we reach that consolidation period where we really want to break out. So right now we do have potential to break out, but we may actually end up going down a little bit in the trend line. It just depends on what we have more buying or selling at the moment. And at the moment, when we look at it, we have a lot of selling going on, which is why we hit the trend line and then went down. But remember, once we do that, we're going to go right back up to the top of the trend line. So even though we are going down from there, we're going to go right back up, and we're going to set our new lows here. Our new highs, and then we're just going to keep having lower highs until we get to the end of our, consolidation. When we consolidate, we go boom, up to the moon. But yeah, if Elon Musk tweets right now, all of this is obsolete. None of this matters if Elon Musk makes a tweet. Nothing matters if Elon Musk makes a tweet. That's how significant his tweets are to the cryptocurrency world and to Dogecoin. All right, now we got that out the way. There's something I actually want to talk about. Some big stuff I want to talk about here. Dogecoin price predictions. We already know we're going to reach $1. Where will Musk's latest moonshot take Dogecoin? All right, let's read this article. A new series of tweets at the hands of Elon Musk are reiterating Dogecoin. Investors this morning, the billionaire behind SpaceX, Tesla, blah, 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 talk about getting rich, blah, blah, blah. Yesterday afternoon, Musk took to social media to solicit ideas for his adopted child, Dogecoin. Guess they're calling Dogecoin his adopted child. That's weird. This is not the first time Musk discussed, blah, blah, blah. They like to put a lot of random words inside these little articles that really don't mean nothing. Like, we don't need to read none of this. We already know what Dogecoin is, and we already know who Elon Musk is. So the opportunity for investors to suggest an idea for the meme coin to Musk is too much to pass up on, blah, blah, blah. They're still talking some more bull. If you'd like to help develop Doge, please submit ideas on GitHub. So this is what Elon Musk said, and there's been a whole thing going on here. So that's what we're going to go over today. All right, so he adds his reasoning behind supporting Doge as opposed to other more serious coins like Ethereum and the Cardano. Curious, the guy Dave Lee right here. Let's see who Dave Lee is before we actually read this. I don't know who Dave Lee is. Host of YouTube channel Dave Lee on investing, Tesla investor. He's an investor. Okay, good, cool. Now let's go see what they're talking about here. Dave Lee says, curious, what are your thoughts on Ethereum 2.0, Cardano, Solana, Polkadot, IOTA, and others that are trying to scale with low fees? What makes you choose Dogecoin over them? And remember, Elon Musk is talking about low fees and stuff, all that stuff. Elon Musk says Doge has dogs and memes, whereas the other cryptocurrency don't. So he's literally trolling people when people ask him why doesn't he just choose Cardano or something like that, because they have lower fees, they use less energy, less electricity, they're really efficient. But he just says Doge has dogs and memes, whereas the others do not. So I think Elon Musk is actually really funny. He just loves to screw with people. He knows people are going to get mad at him for being so heavy with Doge, and that's why he continues to do it. And it's just something that we have to think about. And another thing I want to talk about right now. All right, Elon Musk. Wait, let's look up Elon Musk zodiac. So Elon Musk's zodiac sign is actually a Cancer, and my zodiac sign is actually Cancer. I was born on July 14th, and I guess he was born on June 28th. So he is a Cancer. And something big about Cancers is we have extreme loyalty, like literally extreme loyalty. And you can really see this extreme loyalty showing inside of Elon Musk and Dogecoin. Like Elon Musk is extremely loyal to the Doge community, just like I'm extremely loyal to my Doge community. I'm always coming here with the greatest information about Dogecoin, always holding Dogecoin, never fake about that. And Elon Musk is doing the same thing here. So what we have to think about is astrology. Astrology is a real thing, it is a real thing. A lot of people don't believe in it, but it's a real thing. Like you like, it's like saying that the stars don't exist. It's like saying the sun doesn't exist, I didn't want to look up that kind of Cancer. No. It's a Cancer zodiac. So Cancer is a cardinal water sign represented by the crab. This oceanic crust. I don't even know what that is. Let's see what this word is. What are they talking about here? I don't even know how to pronounce it. Let's see. Crustacean. Okay, crustacean. I did not know what that was, but it's kind of, I guess that's what they call crabs and shrimps and stuff. They call them crustacean. That is so weird. You learn new stuff every day. Let's read this again. Cancer is a cardinal water sign represented by the crab. The oceanic crustacean seamlessly weaves between the sea and shore, representing Cancer's ability to exist in both emotional and material realms. Cancer is ruled by the moon, the celestial body that represents comfort, self-care, and maternal energies. You can kind of see, he has some maternal energies towards Dogecoin. They just now call Dogecoin his child inside of this article here. They mentioned that Dogecoin was his child. So, maternal stuff right there. But yeah, maternal energies right there. And also Cancer is ruled by the moon. We're going to the moon. Elon Musk is literally talking about sending Dogecoin to the moon. He literally has a connection to the moon because of the stars were aligned when he was born, and they were aligned with the moon when he was born. So we literally get energy from the moon. Like I'm so heavy on zodiac signs. Like I even go outside. Like I go out at night. Like I'm a morning person. Like I love to work in the morning. I love to get all my work done in the morning. But when it comes to, finding myself and really being at my, my place, my zen, that is nighttime. Like I will literally go out midnight and then, do some laps around a lake or, go run outside. And that is what being a Cancer is all about, is the moon. So Elon Musk is a Cancer, which means we are going to the moon here. If you'd like to help develop Doge, please submit ideas on GitHub. He's always being so helpful with Dogecoin. And then that's where this Dave Lee guy talked about it. And then that's when he said Doge has dogs and memes, whereas the others do not. That's pretty funny that this guy is just coming up to him talking all serious, like, come on, let's get Ethereum, Cardano or something. He was like, no, I'm good. Doge has dogs and memes. That's all I need. So that's pretty funny that he's actually just screwing with these people hardcore like that. But yeah, zodiac signs, you definitely need to look into zodiac signs, and definitely you can kind of find out what Elon Musk is going to do next according to his zodiac. All right. And let me explain this. Right. There is a certain time of the month when, we are at our best, or at our peak. Certain times of the year, certain times of the months where we are all individually at our peaks. June is coming up. Look, remember I said June is about to be really huge for Dogecoin, right? Inside the month of June, Elon Musk is born on June 28th, right? Let's look at Cancer zodiac dates, right? So Elon Musk is born on June 28th. Cancer zodiac starts on June 21st and ends on July 22nd. So between June 21st and July 22nd, Elon Musk is literally going to go crazy with Dogecoin. For the Cancers, like when it's the Cancer month, when it's the Cancer time period, or whatever your zodiac sign is, you really go hard and heavy on whatever you do. You go really hard on whatever you do. So coming in June and July, like I said, it's about to be crazy. Like it's about to be really, 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 really crazy. Like between June and July. So this is really about to go really hard right now. Like Dogecoin is going to go high and higher and higher. And it's because Elon Musk is about to push it really heavy coming up in June and July, just because of the zodiac, just because of the energy. He's going to have this, there's going to be this energy in the air that he just feels. It's going to be a subconscious thing, but it's just going to be this energy that just pushes him to keep going harder and harder and harder with Dogecoin. You can kind of notice right now, Elon Musk he's starting to really pick up the pace with Dogecoin. He's really picking up the pace with Dogecoin. He's talking about sending a Doge1 satellite to the moon. Literally, he's literally going to send a Dogecoin satellite to the moon. Everything has been Doge recently, and look, it's leading into his month, it's leading into his birth months, it's leading into his zodiac. So this is why he's still talking. Like, Elon Musk has never talked about Dogecoin so much that like he's doing now. Like, after Saturday Night Live, something kind of changed. And what changed is everyone kind of knows about Dogecoin. So now Elon Musk can openly just make Dogecoin comments without the SEC coming after him, right? So let's keep looking at the Cancer. Cancer is ruled by the moon, the celestial body that represents comfort, self-care, and maternal energies. Accordingly, Cancers tend to be domestically oriented. They love to create cozy, safe spaces that serve as their personal sanctuaries, then spend lots of time in them. Cancers care deeply about their families, which we have the Doge family. Remember, Doge Army, that he cares about the Doge family, and are quick to adopt caregiver roles. But these crabs must be careful. When Cancers invest in someone emotionally, they risk blurring the line between attentive nurturing and controlling behavior. All right, Cancers attract friends and lovers through their loyalty. So you see how loyal Elon Musk is to Dogecoin. A lot of loyalty there. Commitment, very committed to Dogecoin, and emotional depth. These crustaceans make excellent hosts and enjoy entertaining with comfort and food. And as you can see on Saturday Night Live, Elon Musk, like, some people said it was cringy, like the way he was there, but I thought it was pretty funny because, you know, this guy, he's like he's an awkward guy, and he just gets on there and he just completely, you know, kills the show. He does good. He does well. I actually liked the whole Saturday Night Live thing just because I feel like it was so cringy that it was actually pretty funny. It was actually so pretty cool to see. So Cancer rules the stomach, so there's nothing these crabs love more than a home-cooked meal. That is true. If you're not a fan of Cancer's attachment to the home, that may be a bit of a problem. Though these celestial crabs avoid direct conflict by walking at an angle, they can inflict a harsh pinch with their distinctive brand of passive aggressiveness. So passive aggressiveness, let's talk about that. Like, all right, so let's look at what Elon Musk has been saying about Bitcoin. Some people could see that as a passive aggressive move to kind of put Dogecoin at the forefront of Tesla and put Bitcoin in the back. So that is just how I'm seeing it. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm making speculations here, and I'm just bringing facts to reality, right? So working with Dogecoin developers to improve system transaction efficiency. To be clear, I strongly believe in crypto, but it can't drive a massive increase in fossil fuel use, especially coal. And remember, Elon Musk is very loyal to the idea of zero carbon emissions. He is very loyal to that idea, and that's what he's doing here with Tesla. And that's why you see he comes in it so hard every time. It is high time there was a carbon tax. So let's look over here. This is when they suspended Bitcoin. They suspended Bitcoin. That was a passive aggressive move. He just suspended Bitcoin. Now he's bringing Dogecoin to the forefront. So yeah, this I just like to talk about these zodiacs because you have to, think about zodiac signs. Cancer zodiac traits. When you look at the traits of a Cancer zodiac, loyalty, protective, really protective over Dogecoin, intuitive. Yes, he definitely has intuition. Caring, overly sensitive, moody, vindictive. So there's a lot of different things going here, and we have to remember we have to start bringing science into science, astrology, all that into investing, because you can't just invest off of technicals. Yeah, you can invest off of technicals. You can also invest off of fundamentals, but it's best to invest off of everything. You have to be scientific. You have to think like the carbon emissions. We have to get rid of all those carbon emissions, and Bitcoin right now is taking too much electricity, too much energy, too much coal is being burned in order to produce Bitcoin. So we have to kind of back up off of that. We have to be really caring of our environment and all this other stuff. But yeah, we are doing some great things here with Dogecoin. So now we have to look at Cancers in business. So they say Cancers do best in jobs that offer them a high degree of security in terms of employment and wages. We know Elon Musk is one of the richest people out there. One of the positive Cancer traits is that they're great with money, often a little too thrifty, blah blah blah. When it comes to work, cancers will always follow through with projects. We know Elon Musk just now talked about sending Doge 1 to the moon. He's going to follow through with that because it's one thing that you know with cancers. I told myself a while ago I was going to be on the cryptocurrency wave. Now I'm here, and the same thing with what's going on here with SpaceX and Dogecoin. They're going to actually send Dogecoin to the moon, and that is another thing about what we know Elon Musk is, all for. He's going to send it to the moon. He's going to follow through all of his projects. So this is a lot of stuff is just going on here with Dogecoin, and we cannot count Dogecoin out at all. But yeah, Dogecoin is going crazy. So let's go back over here to our whales to see what our whales are doing. The top whale still has not sold, and all these other whales haven't. And this is the whale that we believe to be Elon Musk. We believe this one to be Elon Musk because it was put in right. No, not this one. Actually, this was one of the whales that actually always sell all the time. This one right here is believed to be Elon Musk because 1.5 billion was put in right when he tweeted that he was, going to send Dogecoin to the moon, like right after Saturday Night Live. That is when that money was put in. And then that's when he said he had diamond hands. Tesla has diamond hands. As you can see up here, it says Tesla has diamond hands. So we know Elon Musk is still holding. We know Elon Musk is still pushing the Doge project. And we know he's going to continue to go through with sending the Doge 1 satellite to the moon because it is a huge cancer trait to just get all your projects done and to not leave anything unfinished. That is a huge trait right there. So we can definitely see Dogecoin going to the moon very soon. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Just a little short update on Dogecoin and what we are currently doing. And just to look at our whales, I mean, we have whales that literally haven't sold since 2014. Like the second biggest whale has not sold since 2014. So that's huge right there. That whale sold 1 million Doge right there for $900. That same 1 million Doge today, that would be a lot of money. That's just a lot of money right there. But yeah, we can just see these whales, they're investing into Dogecoin and they're actually holding their money in there. And this is really good news for Dogecoin. So much stuff is going on with Dogecoin. But yeah, getting back to the technicals, we can see that we are starting to trade back towards this trend line here. So once we touch it, we'll probably end up doing a little dip and then keep doing that and, keep trading sideways downwards until we get to the end of our consolidation. And then finally, we'll have that, the tell all be all. Should we jump or should we drop? And that is what we'll see at the end of this. But we know June and July is about to be really big for Dogecoin. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. And check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And I'll be back with another video.